gives me immense pleasure to welcome Sri Vijayan, the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala. Sir, we're deeply honored, privileged, and very grateful to have you with us today, to have this opportunity to interact with you.
Mr. Ajay Das, please, from Adani Synergy Electronics.
Yeah.
Quickly, please.
Yeah. So, good morning, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, dignitaries and attendees of this webinar. As all of us are aware that post-COVID-19, we are witnessing a overwhelming desire of global companies to go for strategic shift in their supply chain network, removing supply centralization to one country. Beneficiaries of this shift will be, in fact, Asian countries who can adapt to this new world order with agility. And India, and in particular, the state of Kerala is strategically placed to gain out of this changed business dynamics. I wish to bring your attention particularly to the international seaport at Bizinjam near Trivandrum, which is being developed by Adani Group along with Government of Kerala in public-private partnership model. This port, in fact, can offer unmatched competitive advantage to the companies who wish to be part of the new world order, especially the new age industries like electronics, whose global supply chain has witnessed maximum disruption during COVID-19 distress in China. Now coming to Bizingham, there are several unique advantages of this port, which makes the port stand out among its peers. This is going to be the largest transshipment port of India, and the nearest port. Next slide, please.
Yeah.
This is the nearest port to the international shipping route, and it is expected to assume strategic importance post COVID-19 as global supply chain tend to shift to Southeast Asia and India. Closer to the port, we have identified 150 acres of flat land terrain, which is available for sublease to interested manufacturing setups. And this location is a top location in terms of its proximity to the state capital, national highway, national rail line, and international airport also. And not to mention, there is excellent quality of life, and Trivandrum is the second amongst Indian cities in a recent survey, and there are a lot of support from the state government as well. From Adani side, we are committed to facilitate investment with all types of infrastructure and logistics support. I would like to mention that here in this slide, you can see some of the industries which can have maximum advantage by strategically positioning their manufacturing establishments near the port. This is, of course, not the exhaustive list. As I said earlier, export-focused electronics and related high-tech industries like robotics and medical devices industries, where this location can be a major assembly point, stand to gain the most because of low logistic cost, and you have educated manpower here and cheap labor compared to the current global manufacturing center. And so are the food processing and cold storage, who wish to capture the pie of increasing processed food demand in Middle East, Southeast Asia, US, and Europe. Warehousing anyway is no-brainer in this international transshipment port of this size. In the end, I just want to highlight one factor which is coming to the top of mind of a new age worker, that is the quality of life. And here is the fact about Trivandrum. Thiruvananthapuram ranks second amongst all Indian cities and 22nd amongst all global cities in quality of life index. So this in fact makes Bizingham and Trivandrum a very ideal destination for new age industry investors.